So today I'll be doing an unboxing video of my ring light. Yep, finally got a ring light. So let's go over here for. By the way, I got it from this thing, Austin 77 from Abuja. So big. I was actually going to get an 18 inches ring light, but then there was just like 5,000 naira between the 18 inches and this 22 inches. I'm like, so why can't I just get the biggest size? You know what I'm saying? Overdo the part yourself. And now I got it. I'm not complaining. Come in your bag. I got batteries too, so everything, batteries, the stand, there's a ring light. I got it for 14,000. This is the power. Battery charger. Okay, extra long one. They said it's a big size of the big battery. Okay. The second. Apparently. And the mirror. Okay. That is matte finish okay. I can measure it. There's the ant carrier for the bag. There's the remote first, and there's the phone inside. And there's this stuff that I've been seeing in everybody's video that they do not know how to use it. Even me, I'm sure I've known how to use it. But channel rest to use it. More mechanical stuff. I'm not interested. Alright. The next thing is the stand. Wait a minute. Let me get it. It's the first. This girl is inside. Let her go. This is down. Open your lips. Why? Open them. The stick printed guys. Ah. Thank God my eyes is moving. Fantasy, like an island. It's okay. Like I'm good. You guys in the world. God, I feel. Come down a little bit. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so we got the thing now. Hopefully you don't have to change the location of this video because my extension is far away, far away. We move, we change location. Wow. So like I'm about to connect the stuff. So this is the on and off button. Oh my god. Wee! It's on now. I can increase. Okay, that's to reduce. This is to increase the light. This is to change the color. This is to increase the light and decrease the light. This is to change the color, the warmth. This is cool. This is warm. Which is like bright orange. So. Nice. I wanted to show you guys. Ow. Ooh, automatic clear skin. Still no clear. I wanted you to see the tone on my face. This part here, I use it to put it off. Or you can use this. Pick any struggle that you want. Then these are for the batteries. So I'm going to try and fix it. I'm actually holding my phone and trying to do the video at the same time. So I will post it. Okay, yeah, it's supposed to go like this. I will write for the first time. Yeah. It's supposed to go like this. It's not staying no, because I'm using one hand to do the video. But I know that it's supposed to go like this because of this point. That's supposed to enter this point. Now I'm trying to fix the phone stand, and I'm clueless because apparently no rest for Lodo. I think I'll be waiting good. Everybody, they know how to fix it in their video. Who am I? I'm not Diego. So let me just try. Okay, I think you can fix it to this whole here and this one. I don't know what this is. No, I don't like. I was putting the camera down. It's cool. But yeah. I don't know where I'm fixing it next. So I think I'll figure that out on my own. Let me know what you guys think.
Think about your life. You are a failure. You are a failure. You can never make it.
Let's just test out the remote. So, on. Yeah, I think I'll have to enter the back first. Hey, problem. Yeah. I did not check, maybe there was battery inside the remote first. Okay. There's battery inside now. Why you make remote? So what's that the essence of the remote? If I cannot put it on from here, although it's working, sha. It's working. Off. Okay. What is this? Daylight, no master. I think. Oh shit! I think this one is for something else, and this one is to reduce. Also reduce the light. This one to reduce the light. To reduce the light. Everything plus this one plus to increase light section, to change warm and cool. It's okay. It's what pass. Anyhow, where I will end today's video. The rest I'll figure it out. And if you need like practice, get yours from Austin, Timmy Austin. Because apparently the person's name is Austin. The A is out. Austin 7070. Test yours out. Buy your own. I'm not advertising for them, sure. But I just want to talk about their brand. It's actually very cheap. But the annoying thing is the delivery. They don't even deliver within Abuja, so I had to look for somebody that was in Abuja to buy it for me, then bring it to Ibadan, then bring it to Ringlight because I want to do YouTube video. And I forgot mic actually, so this is how we'll be talking to each other. You have to try and hear me. You get it. So this is the end. Subscribe if it's interesting to you. If it's not, you can pass. Like it if you like it. Don't pass. Dislike if you dislike it. But don't let me catch you. Drop a comment if you dislike it and tell me why. You know you dislike my video and you will not tell me why. There's no point. So you might as well just close my page. Thanks, and I will see you in my next confirm video. Au revoir. Bye. You people should not leave me yet.
Nobody is going anywhere. We all day here, we die here. Nobody they go anywhere.
So I figured out a way to do this stuff. So apparently, this is how to unscrew it. I fixed the phone holder here, so you just put it here. You like screw it back, and that's it. You can move the position back here. That's all. Bye.